In this video, we have AI challenge. I'm going to use Claude to bring me money in 3 steps. But before that, let me tell you the main purpose I'm going to use Claude. As you know, I'm a content creator. Content creators needs to have a plan. Actually, if you have a monthly plan, that one is going to be good. If you have high rank ideas in that monthly plan, that will be awesome. The point is, we are going to use Claude to generate a monthly content strategy. When you have a strategy plan, you can easily create content as fast as possible. And with that way, you can monetize your YouTube channel. If you already have a YouTube channel, this way will help you to boost your income. If you don't have a YouTube channel, with this way you can create one and get monetized. And again, if you don't want to have a YouTube channel, you will learn how to create a strategy plan. So this video is good for you. The step one is installing Claude. Nowadays, all of the people that I know start talking about this new AI, and in this video, we are going to try it as first time. For this video, I use Windows operating system, but if you're using Mac, Linux, or any other operating system, you can install this software easy peasy. In your browser, just search download Claude. This one is ChatGPT sponsor, forget about that one, and go into claude.com. In this part, the website detects your operating system easy peasy. So with a simple click on download for Windows, you can have Claude. The website detects your operating system and based on that, give you download for Mac or even Linux option in here. The setup file size is pretty small. Double click on the installer and wait until this part finished. I press on no. I don't let Claude access my camera right now. Press on get started. Continue with Google account. If you're not agreeing to acceptable use policy of any software in the world, they don't let you create account. I don't know why they still asking us. Kind of forced to check that one and then press on create account. I use free version. Press continue. Type my name. Where's my role? At present, I have my own topic. Ta-da! Step 1 successfully done, and it's time for step 2. At first, let me tell you what should we say in step 2 into Claude. In this part, I recommend you to turn on the microphone. Okay, if you speak English, tell anything that you know and you find out about your channel, about your content, about the thing that you want to do in English. If you use any other language, okay, maybe your mother tongue is Persian or any other language, okay, just turn on the mic and start talking with this Claude. I'm also going to give you an example, don't worry at all. I'm going to tell these options. At first, if I have a YouTube channel, I give this website the URL of the channel, the link of the channel. Second of all, I'm going to explain what I did. Third of all, I'm going to tell it what is my budget. If I have low budget, I don't have any money, just find me fresh idea. The other thing is I'm going to tell this device, find me viral ideas. Also tell it find related ideas, fast growth audience ideas. And after I explain all of these things into Claude, I'm going to tell him create a spreadsheet for a single month. I just forgot this. In this part, you also need to tell the Claude how much videos can you create and publish in 30 days, because it's going to create a spreadsheet format for you, okay? And at the end, tell this to Claude. If you need more information, ask me. Easy peasy.
This channel I create tutorials about tech.
As you can see, I just tell what's going on into Claude. Okay, cool option. It asks us question. As you can see, this AI asks his questions in a quiz term. Cool. Boom, my July content strategy is ready. Right now, we're going to find out what this AI actually did. It says that why this plan works for me specifically. With this amount of subs, YouTube is still testing on every video. The 50 videos for July. 10 free AI tools that replace thousands of software in 2026. This free AI tool does what Photoshop can't. amazing title. This one is genius. In this part, it tells us why he chose these options, this title formula. The other thing that I found out is we can connect our Claude into our calendar. So I go to settings, on connectors, I press on add, browse connectors, and in here type calendar. Google Calendar. Press on plus. I need to press on continue with Google. In this part, enable these items and press on continue. I tell it set these things into Google Calendar that we connected into Cloud. Right now, imagine that we are going to create this video. 10 free AI tools that replace $1,000 of softwares. In here, again, type the title that we have. Again, I press on this option. I don't need to type, I just record myself. The point is, I don't have any ideas about the description, about the video hook, and about the video script at all. So right now, I'll be happy that you give me the full video script so I can continue with that one and step forward, okay, do the process. Introduce me those 10 free AI tools that can replace thousands of softwares. Search the web to find out those 10 high quality websites. It is fucking awesome. As you can see, video 1 script, 10 free AI tools. The hook, first 50 seconds, write this on the screen too. So the point is, I actually need to read it for audience, okay, and put it on the screen too. With this way, I can have more views. And the other point is, it gives me a tip. Say this over your screen already open on the first tool. So I can grow more audience with these tips that this software gave me. Amazing. Intro. And the other thing that I just get shocked, is it ranks them from 10 to 1. So with this way, user keep watching until he finds out the most useful one. This AI knows what's going on. The other thing is it gave me YouTube description. Okay, cool description. The point is you need to change these timings, but that's a cool description that this one gives us. And it also gives us filming notes. For a screen recorder, you can use OBS Studio because it's free, and we told this one we don't have any budget. For editing, again, it finds out free softwares. Amazing. I kind of love it. And I'm going to follow that 30-day plan that Claude gives me. That one is game changer. Guys, I hope this content helps you. If I can help you, don't forget to press like and sub the channel. You can also watch this video. On that one, I told you how to become master of using any AI. I tell you how you can create better prompts. See you there.